Today, I'm going to pull the fire alarm, and it will be so funny. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, it's the fire alarm. Get in line, everyone.
The good news is that there is no fire in this building, but the bad news is that someone pulled the fire alarm. Does anyone know who could have done this?
I know who did this. It was Maya. Maya, get over here right now.
Yes, teacher.
Maya, did you pull the fire alarm?
I did.
Maya, why did you do this?
Because I wanted to do a prank.
Maya, that was not funny. Now I am calling your parents.
Maya, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at school. That's it. You are grounded for the rest of the month. Go to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.